How do I load a file into the Python console? I have some lines of Python code that I'm continuously copying and pasting into the Python console. Is there a load command or something I can run, e.g. loadfile.py?
From the shell command line. From the Python command line. Or
For Python 2, give exec file a try. See other answers for Python 3. Example usage. Let's use a copy conu to quickly create a small script file. And then let's load this script like so.
You can just use an import statement. So, for example, if you had a file named my_script.py, you'd load it like so.
From the man page. When a script is passed as first argument or the C option is used, enter interactive mode after executing the script or the command. It does not read the $Python startup file. This can be useful to inspect global variables or a stack trace when a script raises an exception. So this should do what you want.
If you want to support the channel, please consider looking and subscribing.